Well, today we heard the first arguments in a second lawsuit challenging Indiana's near-total abortion ban. This suit is focused on Indiana's religious freedom law. The abortion law remains on hold after a preliminary injunction was issued last month in a separate case. Our Kristen Eskow was in court for today's hearing.
This case centers around Indiana's Religious Freedom Restoration Act. The plaintiffs argue that the new abortion ban violates the religious freedom law, since not all religions believe life begins at conception. The second lawsuit challenging Indiana's near-total ban on abortion gets its first hearing in Marion Superior Court. 5 anonymous Hoosiers and the group Hoosier Jews for Choice sued the state. Ken Falk of the ACLU of Indiana argued in court that his plaintiffs' religious beliefs compel them to get an abortion in some situations.
This is not a monumental ask. It's asking that another exception be carved out of the law for persons who have sincere religious beliefs.
The judge is now considering whether to issue a preliminary injunction to the law. Last month, an Owen County judge already put the law on hold in a separate case. That lawsuit was filed by abortion providers, claiming a right to privacy violation under the state constitution.
We obviously are optimistic about what's going to happen in the Supreme Court on the first case, but it makes perfect sense to try and get a preliminary injunction in this case as well.
But Indiana Solicitor General Tom Fisher argues another injunction is unnecessary for the plaintiffs.
The other injunction isn't enough for them. Why would this one be any different?
Fisher denies the state is taking a religious position with the abortion law and argues the legislature acted on ethical grounds.
Just because a law happens to be consistent with some religious teachings doesn't make it a religious law. You know, religious liberty is important. Let's bear that in mind, but so is protecting the life of the unborn.
The judge is expected to make a decision on whether to issue a preliminary injunction on this case in the next few weeks. Now, as for the other lawsuit filed by abortion providers, that now heads to the Indiana Supreme Court. A hearing is set for that case in January. In Indianapolis, Kristen Eskow, Fox 59 News.
Kristen, thanks. We'll have much more on the next steps in the abortion battle here in Indiana coming up Sunday morning on this week's edition of In Focus. We'll also take a look at early voting in the state and the Secretary of State's race, plus interviews with Congressman Greg Pence and his opponent Cindy Worth. Join us for all that and more coming up Sunday morning right here on Fox 59.